Hello wonderful viewers, welcome to Basic Maths with Master Jude. Today we'll be solving this simple question under number base involving what? Equation. Now the question says if 1, 2, 3 base y is equal to 83 base 10, find the value of what? Y. Now if you discover from this question, this 83 is in base 10, so we need to convert this one to base 10 also. Now how do we do this? You bring down your 1, 2, you bring down your 1, 2, 3 base y is equal to what? 83 base what? 10. Now you start counting from the last number here, which is 3. 0, 1, 2 backwards. So we are going to have that 1 times the base, which is y, raised to power what? 2, plus 2 times the base, which is what? Y, raised to power 1, plus 3 times the base, which is y, raised to power what? 0, is equal to what? 83. Now 1 times y square will give us what? Y square, plus y raised to power 1 is what? Y. Y raised to power 1 is what? Y. Then 2 times y will give us what? 2y, plus y raised to power 0 is 1, because from our laws of indices, any number raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. So y raised to power 0 is what? 1. 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. Is equal to what? 83. Now let's collect like terms. We have y square plus 2y is equal to 83. Plus 3 crossing the equality sign to meet 83 will become minus what? 3. So we have y square plus 2y is equal to 83. Take away 3 will give us what? 80. Now to make this in a proper quadratic equation, you are going to have that y square plus 2y plus 80 coming to this side becomes minus what? 80 is equal to what? 0. This is a proper quadratic what? Equation. Now for us to solve this, we need to do what? We need to use the factorization method to solve this. Now by factorization method, we need to look for the factors of what? Minus 80. That if you either add or subtract, you are going to get 2. Then if you multiply, you are going to get what? 80. Now what are the factors of 80? The factors of 80 are, what do I mean by factors of 80? Numbers that can divide 80 without what? A remainder. Now factors of 80, you have 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40, and what? 80. Now these are the factors of what? 80. Now from these factors of 80, we are going to pick any two numbers that if you add or subtract, you are going to get 2. Then if you multiply, you are going to get what? Minus what? 80. And the two numbers we can pick here is what? 8 and 10. Because 10 minus 8 will give us what? 2. Then 10 times minus 8 will give us what? Minus what? 80. So the two numbers you are going to pick is what? 10 and minus 8. Now, so we have 10 and minus what? 8. These are the two numbers we picked. Now, because this is y square, you open two brackets. You open what? Two brackets. You put one of the y here, one of the y here. The first thing we got here is what? 10. So, and that 10 is plus 10. So, y plus 10. Then the other one is what? Y minus what? 8. Now, from our knowledge of number base involving equation, this is the same thing as y plus 10 is equal to 0, or y minus 8 is equal to what? 0. So y is equal to plus 10 crossing to this side, the equality sign becomes minus what? 10. minus 8 coming to this side becomes what? Plus what? 8. So the value of our y is what? 8, because 8 has the positive what? Value, and 8 has the positive what? Sign. So the value of our y that will make this equation to be equal is what? 8. Thank you for having me today. Bye bye.